Okay, now mash your bananas. Okay, now we got our bananas nice and mashed. Now we're gonna cream the sugar and the shortening. 3 cups sugar, 1.5 cups shortening. 4 bananas mashed. Cream them. 4 cacao fruit. 1 cup buttermilk. 2 teaspoons vanilla paste, not extract, paste. Mix. 4 cups all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon salt, this is Himalayan. 2 teaspoons baking powder. 2 teaspoons baking soda. Now we mix. All right, now we got 2 these 9x9 square baking sheets, or these baking pans. What we're gonna do is we're gonna parchment these babies up, and we're gonna put our nice cake batter in there that smells mighty fine, smells nice and banana-y, smells really, really good. And there, we do. And what I like to do with this parchment paper is I like to crumple it up. I find it makes it stick a little better. I'm gonna fill it about either half or 2/3 of the way full, or else it'll kind of pop out, right? So, all right, now stick around, my friends. I'm gonna pop these in there, and while they're cooking, we're gonna get our peanut butter frosting all situated. There we go. All right, it should take the form very nicely. Pop them in the oven. Okay, now we're gonna make that nice peanut butter frosting. 3 cups powdered sugar. About 3 cups peanut butter, we're using the honey. 1 tablespoon vanilla extract. 3 tablespoons brown sugar. 2/3 cup milk. Now we mix. Okay, you can add a little bit more milk if you want, kind of a smoother consistency, or if your peanut butter is a little thicker. They're all a little bit different. Add a little bit more over here. That's about the consistency we're looking for. It's nice and creamy. Check that out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right, let's give it a little taste. Oh man, this is so good. It's really creamy, really, really delicious. It's gonna go great on the cake. We got the cake in the oven. It's still cooking, so stay tuned. We'll be right back. But it's been about 35 minutes. We got a barbecue stick. Let's check it out. I don't think it's done quite yet, but that's okay. Okay. This one's a little jiggly. Pretty sure that one's not gonna be done yet. See that, my friends? Not quite there. See this one? A little better. That's still not quite there. All right, maybe another 10 minutes, 15 minutes. We'll be right back. All right, about 45 minutes or so total. Let's check it out again. Tops are browning a little bit. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. Okay, it has a little banana in there. It's a little viscous anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and pull these babies out. All right, we're gonna let them cool a little bit, and then we're gonna take them out of the baking sheet and put it on the wire rack. They cool a little bit, they're still piping hot, but we can kind of manage them a little bit. So we're just gonna put it on the wire rack so we can cool a little faster. All right, we'll let these babies cool completely. So probably in about an hour or so, we'll be right back and get that frosting. Oh yeah, check these babies out. It's the longest hour of my life, but they're nice and cool finally. So we're gonna frost them up. Got the nice peanut butter frosting. Right here, we're just gonna go like this, and we're gonna go like that. Okay, there we go. Got this one nice and frosted. Let's do the second one. Try to use up as much peanut butter frosting as we can over here. And a big old glob of it, and we're gonna go bam. Okay, see, they're all nice and out. Here, come check these out. These came out really good, really easy. Lots of fresh ingredients. We use the shortening, we use the bananas. We definitely want to use the vanilla paste. The paste makes all the difference. You can use the extract in the frosting, but use the paste in these cakes. It's going to make a huge difference. Okay, let's go. Maybe we'll do like this here. Okay, let's see. Kind of a big piece. Let's cut it again, right? Don't want to have too big a piece. All right, there we go. Check that out. Nice and moist. Very nice. All right, here we go. For lack of a plate, I just use my hand. Really good. Really, it's really fresh. Lots of natural ingredients, and it definitely shines through too. So definitely give this one a try. Thank you for checking this one out, my friends. We have a nice mascarpone cookie too. Check that one out. You probably like that one if you like this one. But thanks for hanging out. I'll catch you next time.